Some cats are clearly crazier than others. This one didn't like seeing a deer wandering around its neighborhood.
Come on. I think he's a little afraid of you, but he wants to know you.
Answer me one thing. Have you ever seen a horse and a cat getting along this well? Cats are usually fearless, but not just any cat would face a moose this size.
Okay.
These two are such buddies that they go for a walk together every day. In some rare cases, cats can live harmoniously with birds. But the truth is, in most cases, it's literally the opposite. Keeping things organized in some houses can be a problem. Some can be extremely cute and clumsy at the same time. Have you ever heard the term curiosity killed the cat?
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
Everyone has that lazy sibling.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
Want to be notified every time a new video is posted here on the channel? To do that, just subscribe and activate the notification bell. That way, YouTube will notify you whenever a new video is released. Not every mother is an example of care for her children. Have you ever heard the phrase, "It's better to prevent than to cure"?
No es un chico malo,
solo quiere ser él mismo.
While some want peace, others do everything to have an eventful day. Cats are known for their precise jumps, but this wasn't a good example.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
In some cases, the problem may lie in the boldness. The truly scared one is this cat right here. Some cats seem to take the day off to make a mess. You don't have to be a genius to guess how this is going to end.
Que yo vine fue a esto.
A cat can be a real box of surprises. You never know what might come from an excited cat.
Jesus Christ! 你别笑。做一个专业的演员。
Answer me one thing. What was the funniest scene you've seen a cat do?
Galera, você fica grande. Look, man.
Expectation and reality can end up being very different things. Some moments are the kind you have to see to believe. There's always someone at home a little more stressed. Even at bedtime, there might be someone determined to keep you awake. A happy cat can be an endless source of entertainment. Never doubt a cat's cunning. It seems like this cat didn't like being followed one bit.
What are you doing?
对，然后它的右下角那个是我们的那个佣金，对，第一年度20。
Did you enjoy today's video? Right ahead, we'll leave more content that might interest you. We're waiting for you.